The nature of this world is we have our plans, but we have to learn to adjust to whatever situation comes upon us. Just like if a person is in the middle of a sea, sometimes there's sunny weather, and sometimes there is blasting winds and massive tossing waves. We cannot control the sea, but we need to adjust in such a way that we're always moving in the direction of our destination. In the middle of a sea, a compass is very important. So whatever situation comes, we know where we want to go, and we learn the art of adjusting so that we can progress, so that we could grow in whatever predictable or unpredictable situations may come.